Hopefully that didn't. Yeah, okay, that involved some swearing. Whoops. That's probably not. Let's make this one. Oh well, we caught what we caught, I suppose. Hello everyone. I'll edit this one in post if you're watching live. Well done. So this is a Friday Spry play, number 19. This will be just showing a little script that triangulates layers. So it's quite handy. It's just a little quick script. There's not a lot in it, but it does quite a lot in that what it's capable of doing is you take a shape. Let's just pick a nice easy one. This one was a topographic map that was created from an existing layer in Spry. It makes it easy, but if you take that layer with the script inside, you right click, choose triangulate layer, and it will create that layer triangulated. You can tell when there's gaps, you're going to get some strange behavior. Now, if you don't have scripts or you don't know how to deal with scripts in the model, there's a link in the description for this. The right click, import single script, go and find that script from your downloads. So you can also, if you have the script open elsewhere, which is what I'm going to do with this one, you can paste the code in. Actually, that's old code. Let's not use that one. That was the... Where's the code that I want? This is what happens when I try to do things in a bit of a rush, but better to have it. Alright, so let's grab that. So the code in the download will look a little bit like this. So you import the script, and then if you haven't done so, you need to hit this refresh scripts button in order to get it to work. And what it does is it adds a right-click menu to any layer that you have. So by layer, what we mean specifically is a design layer. So one of the layers that sits within here, or in your animation, a layer that sits within this section, not your haulage network layers, your regular layers. So that was based on a topography. I'll show you one more before we wrap up. So we'll just draw one from absolute scratch. We'll draw a couple actually to show you where it does work and where it doesn't work. So I'll create a new layer. Load that up, pull up my design tools, create a shape. I might turn on grade, and I'm just going to create a design. I'm just going to create this looping, growing spiral, right? So if we turn it to plan view, okay. So actually, if we're in plan, let's go to plan. That's not going to work, and I'll show you why. But we'll create one in plan to start with. It's just a spiral heading up. Right click that layer, choose triangulate. We'll get the layer here, named as the same as what we did. And you'll see that where we don't quite have things overlapping correctly, I thought I drew that correctly. I might have to try one more time. Let's go to plan view one more time. Let's delete that and try again. Let's triangulate that one. There we go. So where this will work is, and I'll have that shape as a separate one. So we'll create a layer that won't work to show you sort of the kinds of things that will cause problems. So if I create a shape like this and then I cross over, right? So in plan view, the shapes cross over. If I try to triangulate a shape like that, I'm going to get some pretty strange behavior. In fact, that one, I drew it to the wrong layer. So let's just copy that shape, move that shape over to layer 1. Try that one more time. So you're going to get some strange behavior when things overlap. And you're also going to get some strange behavior if you kind of change the direction that you're going when you draw a shape. So if you have a single shape that changes direction, things will get a bit strange as well. So I'll pull this layer back up one more time and create a shape that sort of starts out going this way and then turns out and goes back the other way. So you've got something that goes spiral. Effectively, shapes that have more than one direction will tend not to work very well either. You'll get some pretty strange behavior from the triangulation, but it should work reasonably well for like logically drawn surfaces, things like topographies. It's just designed to be a quick tool to help you get triangulations out of things. So, like good examples would be you don't have like a proper scan of an area that you're just trying to do a quick model for. You can often get simple topographic maps, but you can't get triangulations for them. So you can take a simple topographic map and triangulate that with this tool, and then you can put a topographic image on it from, say, Google Maps or something like that. So that can be quite handy for that. But yeah, that's pretty much it. If you have questions about how that works, give us a buzz. Technically, scripts are not supported, but if it's a simple thing we can solve for you, then let us know. So anyway, I hope that adds some value, and have a good weekend. See you next time.